About the Bill Gates instrumental. Yeah, yo. Bad bitch, crystal niggas call me Scarface. I'm a winner in this game, so that means I ball great. And yes, I score 8 shots like Swish. You and your little clique ain't got a swagger like this. I be on 60 tip, I'm trying to get highly figured, so I stay in the booth and I continue to body niggas. Use a chick, you causing major catastrophe. Niggas wanna battle with me, now it's time for a tragedy. I'm on the road to success, I got my dope boy. I play Hangman with your head, I got my dope toy. Swagged up head to toe, making all your dough. I leave your head clean shaved like Amber Rose. I'm ballin', making 3-pointers, Derrick Rose. You never knew I could flow like this, but now your lungs froze. Wanna be my friend, not get some timing. You like statuses on Facebook when these bitches co-signing. I've been writing, spitting lyrics ever since I was 10. First instrumental was a Wayne, I'm going in. These bitches hating, I'm laughing, that's a sign. I ate they feelings for dinner, I call it dinner time. I'm a beast that you can't tame, put a hit out on all your fame. You playing, it's not a game, I'm psycho, insane. Sane in the membrane, got rhymes that'll cause pain. These niggas whack, over lame, you blame, you don't mean to blame game. Just step on the beat without using my feet. This is not Twitter, so bitch don't tweet. I see a lot of rap bitch around on the venue. I'm deep in, they call it variety menu. Niggas is splurging, yes they're urgent, cause their raps loose, mine's tighter than a virgin. There's niggas that I merch you that they feed, I got them jerking. 5-star bitch, I got her ass steady twerking. Hey.